Alright, so this is December 30th, 2017, and it is about 63 degrees out here. Like, literally, it's a little bit of wind, actually. The sun is right up there, seriously, but it kind of looks phenomenal. Anyway, Vanberg said that if I can clean my air conditioner up, and I said I'll try and do it, but yeah, I can definitely do it. There's some dirt spot right there in this one, where the Westinghouse logo is, but and yeah, these spots down there are pretty dirty. So yeah, I can clean my air conditioner today. Alright, so I'm gonna turn on this thing, and yeah, actually this thing turns on actually, but I like cleaning my air conditioner so much. That's a lot of people's hobby. I kind of spin the fan blades. They kind of look like it turns off, but yeah. Let me spin the okay, I think that will be damaged. So this unit was installed in the 35th week of 2017, and I cannot wait for 2018 because that's going to be great. I can't believe 2017 is going to end soon. Look at how clean that is. Alright, I think I'm already done. So, just to put this back and everything. Yeah. Alright, just to make sure. Okay, so I cannot turn this on because the house is really cold inside. And I asked my mom if I can clean the air conditioner, and she said yes, but I'm gonna make sure if I cannot turn on the air conditioner for it to dry the fan grill, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, this is for Van Berg for requesting this video to clean my air conditioner. So thanks for the request and everything. Yeah, look at that thing. It's so shiny, but I'm gonna let it dry just in case. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over now.